Hey, my name is Tammy-Lynn-Hancock, and I'm the little engine that could. And you could be the little engine that could too if you just don't give up. If you keep working to grow your business. My job here on the internet is to show you how you can grow your business using attraction marketing. And if you notice, the post today is about why your posts aren't working. I talk to network marketers, people with online marketing companies, people with land-based companies, people with affiliate marketing companies who are struggling because they're putting information out on their Facebook page and they're not getting any kind of engagement. Hey Kathleen, thanks for stopping in. And so they're concerned, I'm not getting people posting back, I'm not getting people engaging, I'm not getting any kind of comments. So let's look at some of the reasons why this is happening to you. Because Facebook is all about you having social engagement back and forth. And if you don't have, for some reason I'm not getting a good connection. If you don't have good engagement, your posts aren't going to get elevated. And if your posts aren't elevated, people aren't going to see them. And if people don't see your posts, you're not going to get engagement. You see the cycle that's going on there? So one of the reasons you're not getting posts is because of a couple different things. The first thing would be maybe you're not in your niche. Maybe you are representing a company that is in weight loss, for instance, and you use the products and you love the products, but your niche is pickles. And you love everything pickles. Hey Misty, you can talk about pickles all day long, but your network marketing company is weight loss. And so you're just struggling on trying to talk about weight loss because you really love pickles. If that's the case, then your passion and your network marketing company don't align. They're not congruent. They're not working together. They're kind of working against each other. So that's why your content that you're putting out there and your posts aren't drawing people, because you like your weight loss products, but you really want to talk about pickles. In this case, what you should look about is finding a network marketing company that aligns with your passion. So if your passion is pickles, then you find a company that sells pickles, or an affiliate company, or do something, or start a company that sells pickles and pickle relish recipes and pickle dips and pickle chips and everything like that. Do you see what I'm trying to say? So first thing, one reason why it's not happening is because perhaps you're not in your niche. If you feel that you're in your niche and your network marketing company matches up to your passions, then it could be that you just don't have enough knowledge about what you're teaching. And so you have to have your post stand out from anybody else. So go back there and study up and learn. Then after you learn, regurgitate it back out in your own terms, in your own words. Take what you've learned and then make your post be value posts. The second thing, not a second thing, a little subcategory there, is that what you want to do as well is share your knowledge, share the things that you're doing. So if you're not getting engagement, the first thing is that your passion might not be your network marketing company. The second thing is that you don't have enough knowledge and you really don't know what you're talking about. So get the knowledge, and then once you have the knowledge, then put that valuable post out there and post with passion. The other thing is, who's your target market? If you haven't figured out what your passion is and you haven't figured out what your niche, you're going to be all over the place. If you're using your Facebook page to talk about pickles, and you're talking about hair, and you're talking about an EMT, and then you're talking about forest fires and saving Bambi, you're putting out a lot of stuff there, and your target market has no idea who you are and what you represent. So sometimes the problem is that, one, that your passion and your niche don't match up. Two, you don't have enough knowledge. Three, you're all over the place. And so what you need to do is it really goes back to you really understanding, am I working in my niche? Am I working with my passion? And if I'm not, find a company that represents your passion. I found that with myself. I use a lot of products from network marketing companies because I really believe in the concept. But not all of them are my passion, but I love these products and I use them all the time. The other thing is, a lot of times I see network marketers, and this goes back into the number one problem, that you're out there, you don't have enough knowledge, so you're just using your Facebook page to like maybe do a Facebook Live, and you're just talking about journaling your life, and you're wondering why nobody's commenting. If you're trying to grow a business and you don't know your niche, your passion is not aligned up with your company, you don't have the knowledge to put valuable content, why would people come by your Facebook page? Why would they come by just to watch your Facebook Live, watching you talk about what you did all day and, you know, how many cans of soda you bought at Walmart? Now, I'm really being facetious here, but I'm trying to make a point. And so if you're wondering why you're not getting engagement, then basically what I'm saying so far in this live is that you need to look back at yourself. You need to find out, what are you doing wrong, and go back and get some introspection into yourself and understand for yourself. Ask yourself these hard questions, because so many times we're just like spinning our wheels. And so if you're not getting engagement, your passion and your niche may not be aligned up. You don't have enough knowledge about what you're talking about. You haven't really got a firm grasp on who your target market is, so the people in your audience may not be interested in what you're talking about at all. So this is a common problem that all network marketers have. It's a common problem that I had too. So if you need some help in understanding what your niche is, then you could just drop the word niche below, and you and I can chat. If you're having some difficulty understanding what it is to put a good content post out, a valuable post, put content below, and you and I can talk. If you don't know anything about who your target market, then put that down below in the comments. So Michelle just commented here. She has a hard time knowing what to say. If you don't know what to say in your content, Michelle, go back to does your passion, Michelle, line up with your product? Are you passionate about your product? Is that something you can talk about day in and day out? And then if that's not the case, then maybe you need to go back out and find a company that aligns with your passion, so that your passion and your product align with each other. Does that make sense, Michelle? Does that help you? Another thing, if you're looking for content, go out and read blogs. Go over to other people's Facebook pages and groups who are expert in your niche. Learn, study them. Come back to your Facebook page and then share what you've learned. Don't plagiarize. Don't copy word for word, but regurgitate it in your own word. So that helped you a little bit. Does anybody else have a question about why your Facebook posts don't work? So really what I'd like you to do is just go back and look at the last 2 weeks and find out, are you all over the page? Then your target market has no idea where you're at. Okay, you have to brand yourself. You have to know who you are. You have to know what your passion is, and your business and your passion has to be congruent. They have to mesh, and if they don't, you're going to have a hard time growing your business. You have to grow your business with you being the boss of your business, because you have to brand yourself. Your people aren't going to follow product. People are going to follow a person that they know, like, and trust. So you need to really just work on these things. And I'd love to be able to help you do that. So if you need some help with these things, just drop the word help below. If you'd like to get on my newsletter, drop the word newsletter below. And, I'm here to help you. That's what I do. Help network marketers, online marketers build their business online, because I can do it, and I'm the little engine that could, and you can be the little engine that could too. If you just don't give up, don't give up. So drop those comments below if you need help. If you'd like to share this, share this. We have someone who needs to learn about attraction marketing. If you hit those 3 little dots up above, you can follow me whenever I go live. And if you're watching this on replay, just put replay so that I can reach out to you and say hi. Anybody, Charlotte, I will get you on my newsletter. drop me your email if you want to get on the newsletter. Does anybody else have a question before I head off of this lie? Hey, Rhonda, Kat, good to have you. Anybody else have a question about why your posts aren't working, why you got me on live? Hey, Sam, good to have you. Well, go back and replay this, and if you've got some questions, just ask me below. And as always, it's always good to talk to you guys. Until tomorrow, you have a good one. Hey, Rhonda, good to see you. God bless you. Have a great day.